There are a few vital steps to a successful lawn installation. As well as your turf, you'll need a wheelbarrow, hose and sprinkler, a shovel, a mattock, shears or secateurs. You're also going to need turf underlay, the lawn leveller and lawn fertiliser. If you have existing lawn, you should poison it. Once the grass has died off, you then remove it using a mattock for small areas, or larger areas a turf cutter will make the job a lot quicker and far more efficient. Once you've removed the existing lawn, weeds, rocks, etc., you should make sure you've got an even area to install your new turf underlay. This will give you the best chance for a successful lawn. It's very important to use a high quality turf underlay or top dress to help promote your new turf. Once you've put a minimum of 50 mil of underlay through, you use your lawn leveller to level it off. It'll take out the lumps and bumps and give you a nice flat lawn. Once your underlay is level, you spread out a lawn launcher. This has vital nutrients and fertilisers to help promote the new root growth of your lawn. This can be done a day prior to laying, which then makes your lay day a whole lot quicker and stress-free. Prior to laying your lawn, give your underlay a quick hose so the roots are making contact with moist soil. It's very important to lay your new turf on the day it arrives. It'll stop it from drying out. So when you lay your lawn, you should lay a border around the outside. You then lay your turf in brick pattern. This gives you staggered joints and doesn't allow the water to track down the joints. Lay the lawn away from your house, sloping away from your house if possible. And if you're laying on a slope, lay across the slope, not down the slope. Don't stretch your grass, butt your joints up tight. This will stop the ends from drying out. If you're laying a large area in summer, you should lay 30 to 50 rolls, water that in before you continue with the rest of your lawn. This will stop the rolls you laid first off in the day drying out too much. And that's all there is to it. It's very important to hose your lawn twice a day for the next 4 to 6 weeks. That'll give you good root establishment and a very healthy lawn.